Find solution of algebraic equations. I'm Anil Kumar, and here we have 4 examples which involves fractions and also negative coefficients. So all 4 examples have negative coefficients here, do you see that? And then they have fractions, something in the denominator. Let us see how to solve such equations. One more difference you will see is that in part C and D we have 0 on the right side of equality, right? That actually simplifies our problem, and we will see how. Let's start with part A, which is minus of a minus 4 divided by 2 equals to 1. My suggestion is that in such cases, think that this minus is with 2. So see the problem as a minus 4 divided by minus 2. That will help you to solve the question. Okay, so basically what we do here is we'll multiply both sides by minus 2 so that we get rid of fraction and also this negative sign. So the strategy is we have this question a minus 4 divided by 2 with a negative sign. We'll multiply this with minus so that we can get rid of this negative sign, and 2 divided by 2 will make it 1. So that is the strategy, 1 times minus 2. So we'll multiply both sides by minus 2. Now in this case, 2 divided by minus 2, we'll get rid of minus sign also. So we are left with a minus 4, let's write 4 equals to 1 times minus 2, which is minus 2. Now to find the value of a, we can add 4 on both sides. So we get a equals to minus 2 plus 4, which is indeed equals to plus 2. So a equals to plus 2 is our solution. Well, let's substitute 2 here. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Minus 2 divided by 2 is minus 1. And this minus makes it plus. So we get plus 1, right? I'd like you to check the solution on your own also. Let's do part B. So as we did in part A, what should we do? We should multiply both sides by minus 3, correct? So try to do it. You can pause the video, solve it yourself, and then check with my solution. So basically in first step, we will do times minus 3 both sides. So multiply by minus 3. So what do we get here? Let me write it down first, and then we will solve. So we have minus 2 minus r over 3 equals to 1, and what we are doing here is we are multiplying both sides by minus 3. So this expression we are multiplying by minus 3. Do you see that? Now when you do this, then minus 3 and this minus 3 cancel out, and what we are left with is 2 minus r equals to minus 3. Do you see that? Now we can subtract 2 both sides, right? If you do minus 2 both sides, then you get minus r equals to minus 5. 2 minus 2 is 0, so you are left with minus r. So minus r equals to minus 3 minus 2, which is minus 5. Minus r equals to minus 5, so r is equals to 5, right? How do we get that? We multiply both sides by negative 1, right? So this is times minus 1 both sides. That is how we can solve this. I hope the steps are clear. So we had similar questions. I have almost done the same steps but in a different way. I hope you understand and appreciate these steps.